How to make lo-fi hip hop. Okay, first you change the tempo like 7/7 for example, and choose the close hi-hat like this, the kick like this, and the snare. Okay, so follow my steps. Use this, you put the close hi-hat here, the kick here and here, and the snare like this. Okay, repeat the key and that sounds like this. Okay, so for the melody, basically you use this sound piano. This is native sound, and select this drop 1. Okay, put here and open piano roll, right click, open piano roll. Okay, the best important is select the melodic minor. Okay, you select some note and mark current scale, make the accords like this, for example here and here. The most important is you make the notes on the white notes. Okay, no black notes, so only white. Just take the notes, for example this is all. Okay, that's good. All right, clone this sound offers. You put the reverb on this plugin, insertion effects, part 1 and reverb. Okay, down this sometime and listen, it's different. So duplicate this, clone this track, open piano roll of this, Ctrl A for select all notes, and you put the melody, for example here, here and here. For the notes, only use these notes, okay, for reference. For example this, know this because this is the reference. Okay, is basic melody. On the next videos I wanna make more melodies, more complicated sounds, etc., more complex, you know. So the drums is like this, control and click for select this, control and click. Okay, arrest, and you apply this, and for the last pass you put on the master and equalizer. Okay, equalizer like this, and just make this like that. Okay, on the next videos I wanna make lo-fi more complex, okay, with the sounds like vinyl sounds, cassette tapes, vinyl static, etc., and velocity more complex, but this is like version easy version for my lo-fi. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, bros, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Subscribe, comment some more videos. Okay, thanks.